with your breathing. It's like sometimes if you, I've done it too, where you have like an off breath from where you're pushing your muscles in. Ooh,
yep.
There we go. Hey, buddy.
He's sad that his owner left. He's coming right back, Fisher. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. There he is. That's a big fish. I'll turn that drag up a little bit. Nice.
Gosh, it's good fish, but I thought that thing was gonna be like still a nice freaking fish.
Oh, it's a gorgeous fish. Big old mouth on it. Hey, oh, you ate that.
Great fish. I mean, they're on that squall, man.
Yeah, that's a beautiful fish. Yeah, they're on that swallow. That is thick. And just gorgeous. Looks really healthy.
Nice freckled up fish, too.
Well,
You got a good one.
look at the reds on that thing, man, through your phone.
So pretty. It's just so hard to capture these fish.
Look at this sculpin. It's massive.
Pretty chunky.
Let me see.
It's definitely bloated.
It's a sculpin. Massive.
A little bit rhythmic though with your breathing. It's like sometimes if you, I've done it too, where you have like an off breath from where you're pushing your muscles in.
Yep.
There we go. Whitey?
He's off.
Cool. That may have been another whitey up in there. Go ahead and give it a cast behind the boat now. Well, there we go.
That's a decent fish.
Just as I'm like, go ahead, behind the boat.
I was gonna let that jerk finish anyway. Like,
I'm feeling that. Trout Raider.
it's kind of fighting. I'm not sure. I think it's a bow. Yeah. It's a cutbow, I think. Well, you'll have to show me that, because I've never seen one. Oh, it's okay. Sorry, that's my bad. He's done. Oh, beautiful bow.
Yeah.
Where's the tag at? Oh man, look at the white tips on the fins. Look at the colors on that.
Pretty sweet.
Here, let me turn them towards you.
No bumps?
That's a fish, my friend.
Oh!
Is this a little guy? As soon as you asked.
That's wild.
He's jumping around though. Yeah, exactly. They're a really important part, which is why I don't want to like take them home and eat them.
Yeah, they're
I think you're right there on that. Right here. Yeah.
There we go. That's it. That's a nice fish.
Try to not lose my shit this time, okay?
That's pretty.
I think.
Gosh, I wonder if that's the same fish I got yesterday. It looks pretty similar.
Is it a cutty?
It's a cutbow. Yeah, it looks pretty similar. Saw me and said no.
All right, fight's on.
Kind of.
Beautiful fish. Beautiful colors on that thing. Look at him, man.
Freckled up. That's definitely not the same fish. I don't think so. Look at that thing. This thing's
Beautiful.
healthy.
Beautiful fish. Yeah, very healthy. Could have been bottom. That's a fish. Nice fish. Look at that. It's a cutbow? Beautiful. I say that's a pretty good day cap.